What's the meaning of constituent? Constituent. Constituent.
Constituent. Constituent. The word constituent can have different meanings depending on the context, but generally refers to a part or element that makes up a whole. In politics, a constituent is a person who lives in a particular area and is represented by an elected official. In chemistry, a constituent is a substance that makes up a mixture or compound. In linguistics, a constituent is a word or phrase that functions as a single unit within a larger sentence. Overall, constituent refers to something that is an essential part of a larger entity or system.